Rowing machines have become hugely popular and very affordable, especially in the last couple of years. The rowing machine is ideal as a standalone exercise equipment for your home because you get a cardio and a full body workout at the same time. There are many products available to choose rowing machine for home, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best rowing machine for home from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Stamina Rowing Exercise Machine. The Stamina in Motion is the company's best economical model. It's made primarily of steel, making it relatively sturdy yet has a compact footprint. It has oversized foot plates with safety straps, and are designed to pivot during use for comfort. A hydraulic resistance system provides 5 levels of challenges for users. The unit weighs in at 27 pounds, and can be stood on end for easy storage. Users typically say that the Stamina in Motion rower is quiet enough for use in small apartments, and that it will not disturb people in neighboring rooms. With its low price and no-fuss operation, this model is a good choice for people who are just starting an exercise program or are new to rowing. It also is appropriate for the elderly. The manufacturer suggests a weight limit of 250 pounds, which means this may not be the best choice for severely overweight people. Number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness Rowing Machine. This Sunny model features a solid steel frame. Resistance is provided by hydraulics, but users have 12 levels of resistance with this rower. This gives it the potential to provide a more challenging workout over a longer period of time. Users have noted that, although the machine is quiet, the hydraulic system does heat up fairly quickly. For this reason, it is recommended that the unit only be used for 15 minutes at a time. Some people overcome this limitation by breaking up their rowing workout with other exercises. Pivoting foot plates and a digital monitor make this model both safe and informative. The display provides basic information like time, stroke count, and calories burned. Although this model is lightweight, it is nonetheless sturdy and reliable. Users note good stability and smooth action from the saddle. Anyone could easily assemble and start using this rowing machine the same day. Number 3. Stamina BodyTrack Glider 1050 Rowing Machine. The Stamina glider can be folded for storage. So if you don't want to have your rower on continuous display, you'll have an easier time of hiding it away. The 37-pound weight of the machine is slightly more than the Sunny rower but still lightweight. Both the Sunny and the Stamina model offer 12 levels of resistance, a nice touch at this price level. The wider, cushier seat is just what you need to see you through longer workouts. Like the Sunny model in this category, this machine features quiet operation and an easy-to-read monitor with a limited selection of workout factors being tracked. Number 4. Stamina Austrian Schillings Air Rower. These rowers are easy enough to be used by absolute beginners, but even advanced, more demanding athletes are likely to find that these machines give them a challenging workout. There's no need for a knob to adjust. You row harder for a more intense workout, or softer for a lighter workout. This makes for a no-fuss workout, though some people prefer being able to set resistance by a knob. The sound of the wind whooshing through the wheel may sound a bit loud to other people in the room with you. Nonetheless, it is not the sort of sound that is likely to disturb neighbors or prevent listening to music or watching TV while you row, but something you should be aware of. Number 5. Rowing Machine Rower with Full Motion Arms. This Sunny model has dual full motion arms for a more natural rowing stroke when compared with the less expensive model. Once again, this Sunny rower affords 12 levels of rowing resistance with a hydraulic resistance system. The weight limit on this machine is still just 220 pounds, making it unsuitable for use by larger people. The rower itself weighs 34 pounds, which means that it is still lightweight enough to be moved for easier storage. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.